Welcome to my channel. I'm Nate and this is my SC300. Today you're going to see an awesome video of my whole story up until now, which started only about 6.5 months ago. I bought this car here. It was the cheapest one in the country, $4,500. This story is kind of an amazing one because I have not been into the car scene. I had a couple cool cars when I was younger. I got lucky. I bought a 1988 Honda Prelude when I was young, SI with four-wheel steerings. It was super cool. I also had a Honda Civic. I had a Honda Accord. And then another Prelude, a 97 Prelude. And, you know, as life went on, you know, regular cars to just get to point A to point B. But, you know, I had been dreaming of getting into the car culture. Buying a cool car, buying a driver's car, watching a lot of YouTube videos just like you guys on cool cars, following guys like Cletus McFarlane, Donut Media, the guys over at Hoonigan, and all the rest. And you know, one day I was you know, actually kind of going through a thing, and I had started playing some poker and, you know, just kind of wasting my time at the poker house. I decided I wanted to do something new, so I started actually making poker videos and just to learn how to make videos. And I had always kind of wanted to make some videos. You know, like I said, I was at the poker house and I made a couple cool videos, and then 1 month I did really well at the poker house. I made some really great profits in 1 month, about $7,000, and I just made an impulse. I got online and started shopping for this thing, and the rest is history. So in this video we're actually going to go through all the way from the beginning, which actually starts at the poker house and then goes all the way through my journey till now. Most of my videos up until now, kind of like putting my journey together. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you really just, you know, have a good time with it. You're watching Tater Nader, Accelerate with Faith, entertaining automotive content. I just started learning how to film because I want to be a YouTuber. So I bought a project car and pretend I know how to work on it. I got to roll up at the meet to film some sexy cars. Then I hit the racetrack to lay down some fast laps. But what I really want to do is learn to drift because your boy wants street cred. So I don't miss a thing. I race to the car show to peep some sexy cars and some sick trucks. I can't believe what I see. I'm in love at every turn. I whip out my camera. So, you know, if you like this kind of content, if you like, you know, journey content, car content, you know, drifting, car shows, actually go to COTA, little spoiler, that's near the end of this video. Then if you like that stuff, please subscribe. I'm actually trying to monetize my channel because I would like to actually do this one day for a living. Maybe that's possible, maybe it's not, I don't know, we'll see. But I'm glad you're here. I hope you enjoy the ride. Alright guys, so we're super excited about the new merch launch. You can see, looks great. And this month we're actually going to be doing a giveaway. So any product on the Zazzle store, Tater Nader's Zazzle store, you get to pick it out. There's gold watches, there's floor mats, there's shirts, hats, all kinds of stuff. You get to pick out any product that you want and I'll get it shipped directly to you. So how do you enter the giveaway? It's simple. you just subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then comment below. Let me know what design that you like the best on the store. And then at the end of the month, and I'll randomly select the winner from that list. I'll direct message you, and then you can get me your information and I'll get that product sent directly to you guys. All right, there's some of our new designs laid out real nice. You got the keychain, a couple of the shirts. All right, and then Carolyn's wearing the ladies shirt. She's modeling it. I got her one. All of these designs come in come in ladies cuts. She's looking good in the Tater Nader shirt there.
It's very nice.
Is it nice? Good
yeah,
material?
It feels nice. It's light.
And I'm here sporting the hat and the SC300 tee right there. You can get these in every single color: blue, green, white, pink. You can get it in long sleeve, short sleeve, hoodies.
Yeah, fall's coming up.
Thanks for supporting. There'll be a link down below where you can go straight to Zazzle to order from them. Really premium packaging. Everything is really, really nice. It came in about a week. Zazzle handles everything super professional, fantastic, great customer service. So we're really excited about that. Let's go.